Good evening. This is a presentation about geography and geography GCSE for Year 9 students and their parents. My name is Mr. Elgar. I'm the head of a strong geography department, which includes 5 specialists, which is unusual for a secondary school to have so many specialist geography teachers. What is the course? It's GCSE Geography. And it is regarded by sixth forms and universities as one of the main academic qualifications alongside English, maths and science. So it's got a very big reputation for its academic input as geography. The question that Year 9 should ask themselves is this the course for them? And the answer is yes, if you've enjoyed and made progress at geography at Key Stage 3. So if you've enjoyed the work that we've done so far, if you enjoy the challenge of learning about different places, challenge of human geography, challenge of physical geography, the skills element of the subject, you've got stuff in the bank if you've enjoyed all of that. You've got good knowledge. And GCSE builds on this because we do have a curriculum that links Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 4. Yes, it's a course for you if you're interested in the world and its relationships with the UK, which you all know is changing. Birmingham's place within the UK, West Bromwich's place within the West Midlands, and your place as an individual and your family is within that. That's human geography. So if that interests you, then geography is a subject for you at GCSE. Yes, if you're interested in the physical side of things, in how ecosystems from a tiny pond to huge biomes like the Amazon rainforest work, the impact of hazards such as tropical storms, volcanoes and earthquakes on people, why people choose to live there near them, and how people overcome them. If you're interested in how we are influenced by climate and climate change, and how we are affected by coasts and rivers, all aspects of physical geography, then GCSE Geography is the course for you. If you enjoy fieldwork and investigations, there are 2 of them in our GCSE course. Well, at least the one that's not affected by COVID. One to Carding Mill in Shropshire, when we look at rivers, and it's a tributary of the River Severn, and one to Central Birmingham, where we look at regeneration. And Birmingham is one of the most successful regenerated cities in Britain. Yes, it's a subject for you if you want to build on your skills in the other core subjects. If you're good at maths, there is a very high percentage of the marks available at GCSE in geography from skills like graphs, using graphs, statistics. Mapping skills are very closely linked to maths as well. If you're good at English, you're definitely going to need to be literate, to write well, to be able to respond to command words, to write persuasively using key terms confidently. And it's also the subject for you if you're good at science and you want to build on your science, because the ecosystems, the hazards, the climate and the UK physical environment units, rivers and coasts, build on work you will be doing in science. And finally, yes, it's a subject for you if you want to build on all the learning you've built up over the last 3 years. You've worked hard at Key Stage 3. This builds on that work and takes you that little bit further on your journey to becoming a great geographer. What will be taught? Throughout this qualification, learners will gain valuable knowledge of these modules: natural hazards, UK physical landscapes, ecosystems, urban issues and challenges, the changing economic world, and global resource management. But in addition to that, we will teach you skills like how to use geographical information systems, which are increasingly important in 21st century UK, how to interpret maps, aerial photos, graphs. All of those are important skills in the careers we're going to talk about in a short while. We're going to teach you how to conduct an inquiry. We're going to allow you to select and test hypotheses when we go to our fieldwork locations. You're going to be drawing the conclusions based on the data that you process and analyze. And you will evaluate how successful you've been in meeting the aims of your inquiry at the end of it. We'll teach you how to weigh up evidence to solve real life issues. So paper 3, there is a pre-release document that deals with a specific issue each year. And those are real life decisions that will be affecting people around the UK and around the world on a day-to-day basis. So in the past, we've had ones about people losing their homes because of erosion in coastal areas. We've had ones about people running out of fresh water in London. We've had ones on people wanting to make money from environments like the rainforest, but also preserve the rainforest for global and local environmental factors in the past. That is bringing together all your knowledge and making important decisions, which is really important in terms of careers. Careers in geography are many and varied. Geography is the perfect balance between the sciences and English, so it will fit well at A level, whichever direction you wish to go in. The fastest growing sectors in the UK in 2021 were transport and logistics, financial technology, construction, digital marketing and advertising, and energy. Every single one of those, you will get a background piece of information and skills in geography GCSE that will help you to access them. All of those careers listed there are possible with geography as well. I've put in red tourism because once we're out of this COVID situation, that will also be joining those other ones at the top as being major growth areas. And geography is a perfect preparation for that. And we also, as well as geography A level, do a travel and tourism BTEC, which will help you get into the tourism world. So there are many varied careers, and because geography fits between the arts and the sciences, between English, maths and science, it is the perfect accompaniment for those other subjects, and it's academic. These people, these geographers, former prime ministers, Olympic athletes, TV presenters, famous business people, these people would not have made the mistake of choosing geography if it wasn't a really good choice at GCSE. So think carefully. GCSE geography could be the right choice for you going into year 10. Thank you.